Next up, expansion for Gunny. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this, we need to locate LLA plans east of YBL-1 and report back. This is super simple to do. All you need to do is head to YBL-1 in the far southwest side of the map, zooming in, one field across, two fields. Right in the center here where these buildings are, you'll find where you need to go. So 151, 121. The quickest way to get there is Lima 2, but of course if you came here for a quest or something, you should stop by as well. Let's get there. Alright, so there we go, approaching where we need to be. Just up ahead, you'll find these buildings here. Seems pretty deserted. We'll head over to this house, open the door, and inside we'll find these LLA expansion plans straight opposite the door. We'll pick these up, and now that we've got this item, all we need to do is head back. That's it. A super simple fetch quest. And then we go back at base. We can now hand in the task. So there we go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.